World Golf Tour designed the Easy Swing clubs to make it easy for a new player to quickly enjoy the free online golf game on famous courses around the world. Hitting the ball is as easy as pointing and clicking your mouse. To hit the ball, you just move your mouse over the swing meter at the bottom of the screen and the icon will change to click and hold. Click and hold the button on your mouse and the icon will change to drag and release. Simply move the mouse up to increase the power of your swing. A full bar will go approximately the full distance for that club shown in the bottom left of the screen. A half bar will go approximately half that distance, and so forth. Then, after setting your power, just let go of the mouse button and your avatar will swing and hit the ball. The Easy Swing works the same for woods, irons, wedges, and the putter. Just click and drag to set your power based on the recommended distance in the bottom left corner, then release to hit the ball. Learn more at WGT.com and see other WGT video tutorials about aiming, putting, and upgrading your virtual clubs on YouTube.